Imagine, baby, when these small girls they watch your videos and they tell their parents that they want to meet someone from YouTube. They watch their video. But how the parents must be feeling? Anyways, I'm really happy and excited to meet them, and I'm glad that I have viewers all over the world. That is the most happiest feeling. But I'm so excited for the outfit, guys. Just look at this outfit. This is for the hair. I have just straightened a bit and curled only at the bottom, and this is the outfit. As you guys know, we are in the Paris. Few of my viewers tonight. I'm so excited to meet them. It's going to be my meet and greet in Manila. And what do you want, Lisha?
Your autograph.
So sweet of you. I will definitely give you my autographs, darling. Showing you guys what I bought for my son. I don't do usually baby shopping hauls or mother videos, but I thought it's good to show you guys in my vlog. Hey guys, I'm in Manila and I'm meeting my princess family. I'm so excited to meet these cute girls, and we are having a ball of time. It's like 1 hour talking. Just imagine. I went at 8 and it's 9. We didn't want to leave, but life has to move. Hey guys, I hope you're doing good today. Right now I'm stuck in traffic and we are going to Mall of Asia. And so my husband and my baby are there. They're busy looking at stuff.
Hello.
So yeah, so we are still in traffic. It will take another 15-20 minutes to reach, and let's see. So we are out of the traffic now and we are in the city finally. In between we were in an area which was like a town or something. But look at this sea view. So I think we are about to reach the Mall of Asia. That's why we are in front of this thing. And I think this area is called Panay, right? Pasay. Pasay Manila. Yeah, Pasay City Manila. And I was actually trying to vlog in Hindi. I did a little bit of vlogging in Hindi. I don't know if it will go up on my channel or not, but I just felt like talking in Hindi to you guys. And my boy is sitting there. So I will show you a little bit of stuff. And yeah, I'm going to meet few of my viewers tonight. I'm so excited to meet them. It's going to be my meet and greet in Manila. My baby is sitting on my husband's lap. And this is the usual thing. My baby, when my husband is at home, he doesn't want to come to me. And how is it? How does it feel?
Sometimes it feels okay. Sometimes it feels like baby is overdoing it.
Yeah.
He needs to sit down on
His dad is with him. He wants to take most advantage of it, and he doesn't want to come to me. That's good for me actually in one way, because you know I take care of him all the time, so I get break from that. But yeah. So we reached the Mall of Asia. It is owned by SM Group. So as you see, it has a big heart and it says I love MOA. We are in the Mall of Asia. So my husband decided to rent a kiddie cart here because it's a very huge mall. So they have this facility of renting a cart here. I'm really excited for that. So we have an option to either rent a cart, or they also have strollers backside. But I think my baby, he likes the carts more because he's already sitting in one. I think he's sitting in a Hello Kitty cart because he didn't notice, just it's colorful. So he's saying in that cart, I think he wants cart. He's already exploring. But they do have a lot of strollers at the back side if you want to rent those. We actually rented a stroller instead of a cart because cart is too big to carry in the mall and we have to, you know. So stroller is better option, I think, because it's faster and it can carry the shopping bags. And my baby's already sitting and smiling. In the trial room trying out this outfit which has a red top and this printed skirt. Not liking it. So I'm in the Watsons right now and picking up my cosmetic items. I'm going crazy actually buying stuff. So I got a lot of new items. So I probably need to walk out of this place before I break my wallet. So now I'm in the queue to pay or to bill my items. I've got a few items which I thought are useful or which I don't get in Singapore. So I think I'm done with the makeup shopping, and I think I don't need any more makeup from Philippines. I might buy outfits and shoes if I find something nice. Otherwise, I'm completely satisfied and I don't need anything else. Yay! So I finally billed my items, and they also gave us this beautiful, reusable, natural stuff. Watsons handbag is free of cost because the bill was a little higher, so we had a free item. So this is the handbag which looks quite cool. I can use it for the beach day or shopping. So now we are going to Toy Kingdom.
Oh, this culture of Filipino.
Yeah, we'll go there as well. Then we'll go to Toys Kingdom. It has all handmade Philippines items. I did a little bit of shopping here, like handmade soaps and other stuff. So my baby is now getting hungry, I think. So he's restless. So we need to rush to eat something. That's why I had only little time to shop here. My husband is billing there right now. But just giving you a glimpse of the shop. We are in the Paris. Just kidding. We are in this French baker restaurant for lunch, but I really like their tabletops. This is paper tabletops, but look at the ambience, man. This created. It has the Eiffel Tower lighting. It's mentioned Paris and the greenery. I actually liked it. So we got this grilled chicken and mango salsa lunch menu. It has rice, mango salsa, some chicken teriyaki sauce and grilled chicken. So I just had food, and since you saw that I had the spaghetti pasta, my lipstick is still on. So hey guys, so I thought of showing you guys what I bought for my son. I don't do usually baby shopping hauls or mother videos, but I thought it's good to show you guys in my vlog. So this is the pair of t-shirts and shorts that I got for him. Like this is a soccer junior t-shirt with this full pants. This one says, ladies, I have arrived. I really like the wordings of that. So I also got him like a jeans shorts. Just look at it, the pattern. It's like 3/4 jeans pant, not completely full or above the knee. So it is like casual wear and very super cool. This one is like full length, full pant if he wants to wear like dress up for special occasion. This one is just a t-shirt with the soft material shorts, which he can use for his park to play with his friends because it's comfortable. I also put these kind of shorts on him when he is traveling because they are much comfortable than these kind of jeans and stuff. I dress him up in jeans or this kind of full pant or this kind of material, jeans material, especially on special occasions for a few hours, and otherwise when he has to wear it for special sports activities or when he is going to swimming pool or when we are going out at night, when we are traveling, I like to put him in these kind of special material cloths. And this one is again a jeans pant which has a maroon color, and this is 3/4 with the belt. I think these are very smart wears if you see. And then this one says be awesome today. Orange color t-shirt. I really like colors, so does he. He loves all these colors. And this is one red and black combination. This is from Disney, so this has like Donald Duck shirt and a matching Donald Duck shorts. And you know, I like to keep his clothes very fashionable, fancy, so it's not just simple or normal clothes, but a little bit of glamour to that, so that he looks cute. And then this is a normal sleeveless sports t-shirt and a matching pant, which he can wear to his park. So these are the colors that got for him from Philippines. So hey guys, I'm heading out to meet those girls. So look at that, what I'm wearing. I got this outfit. It's a culottes and a small crop top which comes till my waist. I got it from H&M before coming to vacation. And my baby is jumping in the background. Just a sec. For the hair, I have just straightened a bit and curled only at the bottom. And this is the outfit. As you guys know, I what am I saying? I only bought Crocs for my vacation. I didn't bring heels, so I'm regretting that now. But I think they still go well with the outfit because it's because they are black Crocs, so they go well with any outfit. So I think it's okay. So I'm totally loving this outfit, guys. This is such a pretty outfit, so fashionista kind of stuff. Look at this. So loving it. And for the bracelet, I'm just wearing one Lovisa bracelet and one random bracelet that I had from a really long time, and just my Fossil watch. And for the earrings, I'm wearing the simple studded rhinestone earrings from Lovisa, which I got when I went for Mumbai meet and greet or red carpet event. And I'm wearing this lipstick since morning. I'm so much in love with this color. It's a very nice chocolate brown color, and I got it from Philippines itself. And look at my lashes, guys. They're my real lashes. I just have a mascara on. I thought there's no need to put that drama of applying fake lashes because that's not worth it. Anyway, so this is my outfit. I'm so excited. Comment below what you think about the outfit, and I'm just going to meet them in 5 minutes. So really excited for that. Okay, so I did some changes to my hair. I made a little poof because I had some extra time. All the 3 girls are on the way. We are meeting at my hotel reception or the Starbucks, which is next to my hotel. So let's see. But I'm so excited for the outfit, guys. Just look at this outfit. This was a bit expensive. I think it was $100 or more than $100 Singapore dollars together, the whole set. But still, it's worth it. And I'm so excited to meet them. 2 of the girls, they are coming with their parents. Imagine, baby, when these small girls, they watch your videos and they tell their parents that they want to meet someone from YouTube. They watch their video. But how the parents must be feeling. Anyways, I'm really happy and excited to meet them, and I'm glad that I have viewers all over the world. That is the most happiest feeling that I have. So I have taken out time from my family time. My baby and husband is at home. We came early from the mall today so that I could give time to my viewers. So let's just go and see. Hey guys, I'm in Manila and I'm meeting my princess family. I'm so excited to meet these cute girls, and we are having a ball of time. Say hello to my viewers. Say hello.
Oh, okay.
It's a vlog. Tell your names.
My name is Cherie, and
I am Leisha.
And what do you want, Lisha?
Your autograph.
So sweet of you. I will definitely give you my autographs, darling. So these cute girls are leaving right now. I'm feeling so sad, but I hope I catch them with them again, or else I'll see their pictures. Thank you so much for coming, girls. Bye. Hey guys, Upasna is also leaving now.
okay, bye-bye guys.
What do you want to say them?
I love her videos, and she's a very sweet person. Do follow her, and I wish to meet you again. If you visit, do let me know.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the compliments. I had such an awesome time meeting these girls here, and she looks so pretty in real life. The lighting is not giving justice at all.
Thank you. You are yourself so pretty. I love your makeup videos.
Thank you,
too.
sweetheart. So it was nice meeting all these people now. Bye, good night.
Bye.
So I'm done with my private Manila meetup. Everybody was so sweet. I'm so happy that I met them and my floor came. It was such an amazing experience, guys. I loved it. Thank you so much for coming, and I will remember this for the rest of my life. I actually got goosebumps, you know, because they were so sweet. They took my autograph. We had such a long chat, like it's like 1 hour talking. Just imagine. I went at 8 and it's 9. We didn't want to leave, but life has to move on. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I will conclude this now because I'm heading back to my family. Bye.